and welcome to this video as we look at data visualization with Power BI. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a scatter chart. My name is Mercy Consolata. Let's get started. So a scatter chart helps you to display two numeric variables. So let's see how we can create one. Just come over to visualization pane, choose scatter chart. Once you have it there, you cross over to your data pane and then you select the variables you're interested in. So let's look at satisfaction rate and then the speed of answer. So now this doesn't look like a scatter chart at the moment, but we can modify that and make it more meaningful. So here you can see values. So there is a provision for you to add more fields here. You have provision file agent and size. We are going to go with the agent, and now you can see that it's looking more like a scatter chart. So let's add some more color to this. Let's place agent under the legend, and we have that. We can also increase the size of these bubbles by, so we can add this to size. Let's rename this. So it has agent and then count distinct. So your chart is looking more visible, more presentable. Now for other modifications, let's look at format your visual. We have the x-axis, and here we can change the values and make the values bold and change the font color to black. Let's look at our y-axis. Let's look at the values, make them bold. We can also change the font color to black. Okay, we can turn off the title there. Let's do the same for the x-axis. So we have that. Now let's look at the legend. Positioning, let's remain with that. Let's just make the values bold. Adjust the font color to black. That will do. And then come back to build here. Let's adjust these titles. Rename those. Let's rename these fields. So I have satisfaction rating. Change this as well. Speed of answer in seconds. Agent remains as agent. So we have satisfaction rating, speed of answer in seconds, and agent. Let's go back to format your visual. Under general, we want to adjust the title to read satisfaction rating, speed of answer in seconds by agent. So we have satisfaction rating and speed of answer in seconds by agent. And that's good. Under visual, let's do away with the grid lines. Turn them off. Come down here, turn the vertical ones as well off. Now you're good. So that is how you go about creating a scatter chart using Power BI. If you've enjoyed the content of this video, please give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you're updated on new videos once they're released. Thank you and happy learning.